comb your hair before we start filming?
I don't think there's a lot to comb, actually.
So, hello.
Good afternoon.
We've got 3 Happy Mail shares for you today. One, in fact I can't remember who this one was from. Can you remember who that one was from?
It was from Sandra Davis.
Sandy Davis or Sandra Davis?
Sandra. This is Sandra on the end.
I think she's sent us Happy Mail before.
Ooh.
The other 2, I've got no idea who these are from because there's no name on the outside of the package.
But there's a shop on it.
Yes, but it's from, it says that it comes from 4 Colnes in Colchester, which sounds to me like a pet shop, which stands to reason considering this one's for Mr Bentley. But I've also got one from the same place.
Which has got Mike's picture from my website on it.
Which is my cabinet card that I created. But anyway, so let's open this one from Sandy first.
Okay.
I've actually slit it, so I already know what's in it.
Okay.
So let me just read the card first, or do you want to read the card first?
Oh, quintessentially English.
Lovely indigo blue imagery.
How terribly true.
Love it.
Dear Mike, thank you for making my mission inspiration possible. When I started doing the challenges, I thought it would be impossible, but over the months I believe that anything is now possible. Hope Ian can use the dials in his wonderful creations. Love, Sandy Davis. P.S. Big hugs to Mr B.
Who's down here?
Down here. He's waiting.
Pacing up and down, waiting to go for a WALK.
He is.
Right then, so, dials.
Dials. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, these are nice.
So, there are 3.
Oh, they're nice. I like those.
Clip-on thermometer dials. Ideal.
Well, I'll put a brass ring on them. That'd be cool.
Yes.
Super
And
duper.
the other thing in the envelope is a t-shirt. And I'll just hold it up. I'll stand back and hold it up.
I made a mission possible.
And this is from the Midlands Air Ambulance Charity.
Oh, I like that. I might wear that myself.
Lovely red t-shirt. I love red t-shirts.
I like that. That'd fit me.
It's cool, isn't it?
I like that.
It's lovely. I made a mission possible. So, which got me to thinking, I'm looking into the possibility
of doing some mission inspiration t-shirts.
Doing some mission inspiration t-shirts. Yes, I actually received an email today from a company that does merchandise for YouTubers.
Oh.
And if I can, and it's not too expensive, I may get some mission inspiration t-shirts made for you guys to wear.
Register your interest.
Yes, let me know in the comment section below. Obviously different sizes, small to large, that I can get for people to wear.
It's like a weather house, this.
Right,
Doors are open.
that's because it's sunny out there, but it's a little bit windy.
Yeah, the kids wanted to go in and come out again.
I know.
That's puppy dogs for you.
Okay, so
He's back.
the next one. So this is from, we don't know who just yet, so I'm hoping there's something inside that says, like, just snip the corners there, because this one's Mr Bentley's package. Yes, it's for you. Right, so what I'm going to do is, oh my goodness.
Where's the thing? Ooh.
I don't think there's a note in there.
There is, I can see a piece of paper. Just lift them out.
They're heavy.
There's a little note there.
Oh, lovely. So let's have a quick read. Crumbs, they are massive.
Jumbo rolls with chicken. I may have one for my tea. Can you read the note?
Go on then. So,
what's my word for this week? Missive.
Yes, you read the missive. Right, this is missive. Jumbo roll with tripe. Eric, where have you gone?
Okay, this is from Suzanna, and it says, Dear
Auntie Suzanna.
Auntie Suzanna, dear Ian and Mike, I am sending this to you as I know Mr Bentley's reading skills are not that great.
We're trying to get there.
Yeah, we are.
We're getting there.
I was scrolling through eBay the other night and came across the steampunk doggy bandana and thought to myself, aye, I know someone would look amazing and handsome in it. Not Ian, so I purchased it along with some treats. Hope you like it. Hope you like his Happy Mail.
So that must be what's inside this. I thought this was tissue packaging. I'm trying not to turn the tissue.
He always saves the tissue. I just rip it because it's like Christmas.
I do save the tissue.
Oh, I like that. Will it fit me?
Look. How cute is that?
Put his collar through it. A steampunk doggy.
Oh, that is so cute, Suzanna.
Thank you so much.
And I'm saving that.
Oh, well, he's having his...
So, right.
He's eating his tea, his breakfast.
Do you want to... Let me just try and turn the camera around. Hang on a sec. Okay, what are these, Mr Bentley?
I've broken it in half because it's massive. Oh!
Oh, well, you'll get no sense out of him for the next half hour.
Excellent.
So the other one
He's come.
Let's come back to see what the others are. So jumbo rolled with chicane. No, with chicane.
Chicane. Excellent. That's so kind.
Thank you, Suzanna. Yes,
He's gone back again.
He's munching now. So, which means that this also must be from
Susanna.
Yeah, from Auntie Susanna. So I'm going to be very, very careful about taking the top off.
I'm in charge of the scissors. Thank you.
Of course, I've not got my scissor license, have I? Behave. Okay. Let me just turn the camera out a little bit.
Oh, I'm excited, and it's not even for me.
Huh? Look, you're nearly stabbing me in the tummy.
I don't need to go any further. It's got Galaxy in it.
It's a big bar of chocolate.
Right, it says Mike on it,
Oh
obviously.
no, look, there's all sorts of chocolate. Susanna, I'm supposed to be on a diet. No, Ian's not getting it. Right, I think we may have to turn the camera round while we open this.
Okay.
So, bear with me 2 secs. Right, I'm relying on you, Ian, as cameraman to hold that steady.
Oh, well, that's a lot to ask for.
Okay,
the sweets involved, though.
Yes, well, for later. Okay, so we have a bag of sweeties.
Quality treats.
Just can you tell me that make sure that I'm in shot?
You're perfectly in shot, Mike.
Okay, so
yes.
bag of sweeties.
Best ones, the little gold coins.
Those ones are Ian's favourite.
They do some desserts like that.
Mmm.
Okay.
And people in America won't know what Asda is.
It's like what? It's part of Walmart. Oh, it says more to share. Let's just bear in mind the share bit, shall we, Mike? Super.
Look, it says more to
No.
nothing else.
No, it doesn't.
So big, big bar.
What's the word I'm thinking? Oh, you fat bitch.
Hey! I'll have to bleep that out. Okay, so let's see what else we've got in
looks
here.
good.
Oh, there's a note in here. Look, I went straight for the chocolate, never mind the... Right, well, I couldn't send the other 2 Happy Meal and not send you any other 2. So does that mean...
The Nicodemus Dandelion one at the post office may be mine.
That just answers the question. Post office card, they didn't post it, or they didn't put it through the letterbox for some strange because it was obviously maybe too big.
Well, I hope so.
Right, okay, so hope you like the munchies and the small bits of fun stuff. By the way, oh, okay. Look up Blade Rubber, which is a stamp shop near the British Museum. Now, I was going to go down to London recently, but that had to be cancelled because some inconsiderate person decided to get married.
Yeah.
And have the entire whole world watching.
That's Harry for you.
Yes, that's how Prince Harry and lovely Meghan.
Yeah.
And hotel costs went through the roof. Cheers, guys. Okay, so some Halloween stuff.
Which is great.
So Tim Holtzy Halloweeny bits and pieces, cool.
Quite a few bits in there.
Didn't get any of those skulls when they came out, and I should have done.
Oh, you got
Kicking
one now.
myself. And there's some more, I think, Halloweeny stuff. Look, tell your fortune. Could have used that for the fortune teller's handbook, couldn't I?
Yes, my arm's getting tired.
Well, you'll have to wait. I'll tell you what, think of the chocolate.
No.
Yeah, so there are Halloween ephemera. Brilliant stuff. You can never have too much. Some beautiful wire
Oh, that's nice.
jute, which means it's...
Bendable.
And- You're not telling me I'm out of shot, look.
You know I was shot.
Oh, that was out of
Yeah,
shot.
well, bring it back in then.
You rubbish you. So
Let's go home, can't I, boys and girls?
you can... Oh, look.
Ooh.
A big bag of MDF laser cut cogs and
I like
dials.
the typeface. The clock face.
Cool. I can smell those through the bag.
I can smell the
Beautiful
galaxy
stuff.
through the
Now,
bag.
look at those. Nuts, screw heads and bolts.
They're nice. I like the next sheet as well.
Yes. Oh, yes, some wind it up keys.
No, they're like Allen key things, little slots to put them in.
How cool is that?
They stand
And
off.
Yeah, the really nice kind of 3D element.
I'm sorry, my back's beginning to go.
Honestly, rubbish cameraman. Even Mother managed to do some filming last night on her own.
Oh, bless her.
So there's those. And some more.
They're nice.
Very delicate, these
I like
ones.
I like the typeface. The clock face is beautiful.
Yeah, beautiful. Just trying, it's got cogs and things in it, look. I don't want to open it up. Snip art, I've never heard of those. PL, is that Poland?
Yes.
Craft box, yeah. Excellent. Papers.
Yeah.
Just do a quick flick through.
They're nice. Nice
Lovely.
bit of vintage going on there. Ooh, balls.
Yeah.
Nice those.
I like the colour palette.
So do I.
Oh, I like that one.
Looks like a jumper I had when I was 11.
That one looks like a pair of shorts I had when I was 11. Love those. Very steampunky. Yes, me like it.
Love it. Oh, we like those, don't we?
I was actually in my local craft store last night and I was actually looking at getting a couple more of these.
Oh, cool.
You can never have too many self-adhesive alphabets in this kind of style.
No, you can't.
Absolutely fantastic. Some more
Bendy twine.
bendy twine, which is brilliant stuff. Love it. That would make a nice closure for one of the journals, actually.
It would. And you've got some little tags.
And some fabulous cardboard, corrugated cardboard tags.
Super duper.
Excellent stuff. I hope you're not pulling a holiday trick on me when I get home and find that all the photographs of me haven't got any heads on.
Oh, I'll go straight to you now then. Are you ready?
No, let's turn it around.
No! Hey!
Right, let's stop that and then... You'll make yourself sick.
If I'm lucky. Mine is possibly a parcel for me. Mine might have something as well.
But yes, there could be something
Should
there.
have gone to the post office this
So
morning.
actually then, that's mine, not yours.
Fair enough.
So, Susanna and Sandy, thank you so much for thinking of us and sending us this lovely, lovely present.
Those dials are
We do appreciate it. And Mr. Puppy...
Mr. Puppy, come here. Come here, Mr. Puppy. Come on.
I don't think you're going to be able to see
I think
him.
you will. You ready, Puppy? You ready? Steady.
Oh. And Mr. Puppy also says, thank you for the Happy Meal too.
Good boy.
Right, shall we get cleared up and get him out for a WLK?
I think so.
See you later.
Bye.
Bye for now. I'd also like to say a huge thank you to all of my angels, without whose generosity and support these videos would not be possible. Thank you.